Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Offices Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So how are you all? As you know, we have already started the Sankalp series. Now we have started 50 days, 50 classes for your JAIIB exam. And if I talk about how many days are left, we have only 46 days left behind our paper. So it means after 46 days, you have your paper, and right now you have a lot of in your plate to do. You have 4 subjects. You have each subject have 4 modules. A lot of units are there, so you have to go with a lot of things. First, you have to have a conceptual understanding. Then second, you have to give topic wise test. Third, you have to revise the content, and fourth, you have to give full mock test. So learn, revise, practice and repeat. This is what you have to do. So this is what I'm talking about for your Indian economy, Indian financial system, PPB, AFM and retail banking, wealth management. All the 4 subjects reads learn, revise, practice and repeat. These are the 4 steps that you have to follow to clear your paper. Okay, so let's start in this particular session. Why module A is written here? Because this is your module A topics, or I told you that every day I will be taking one topic and will cover your content on that particular topic. So today in the module A, I'm going to cover the chapter number 11, that's a cash management service and its importance. Okay, so we are going to discuss certain questions on that. So let's start. The first question is talking about which of the following is not the objective of a cash management system? Not the objective of a cash management system, you have to answer. And you have these 4 options that's talking about to improve revenue, to maximize profit, to minimize cost, and to make easy housekeeping. So what do you think? Which of the following is not the objective of cash management system? It helps you in the increasing revenue. It helps you to maximize your profit. It helps you to minimize the cost, but they do not help you to make easy housekeeping. So to make easy housekeeping is not one of the objective or the benefit of the cash management system, right? So the right answer will be your D option. The right answer we have is D option. Now, next question that is talking about a study conducted by Mr. Killen and Associates. How much top Canadian enterprises could save 23 billion annually by applying emerging electronic cash management strategies? So question is asking that a study has been conducted by Killen and Associates, and according to the study, how much top Canadian enterprises could save how much $23 billion annually by simply applying emerging electronic cash management strategy? Because see, the cash management system is very important for everyone. Reason, it helps you to maintain the liquidity in the business, and the liquidity in the business is very much important, because if in case because of the uncertainty you need a cash, you need to make a huge cash payment, or you need to have a huge cash amount to perform a certain trade or certain activity, then if you do not have done the cash management services, if you haven't managed your liquidities, maybe chances you will face loss at that time opportunity came to you. So that's why cash management services are very important. It's very important to maintain your liquidity, and in that maintaining your liquidity and in your cash management services, your bank, your financial institutions are helping you out. So if the Canadian enterprise, they use the electronic cash management strategy, they will be capable of saving $23 billion. How many Canadian enterprises? 200, 300, 400 or 500? Let me know how many Canadian enterprises will save $23 billion annually. And the right answer is 400. How many? 400 Canadian enterprises can save $23 billion annually if they apply the emerging electronic cash management strategy. Okay, and in the cash management system, the banks and financial institutions are providing you customized services also. As per requirement of your company, after studying your company's situation, they will provide you what? They will provide you the customized cash management service also. The right answer is C option here. Now, cash management comprises. So what are the components, or which of the following is a part of your cash management? So we have first option, to the collection of cash, second option to concentration of cash, third option to disbursement of cash. So which of the following will be covered under the cash management? So the cash management comprises which of the following? A, B, C or D? So the right answer here will be D, all 1, 2, 3. The collection of cash, the concentration of cash, the disbursement of cash, all are the part of cash management. All are what? All are the part of your cash management. So right answer is D. Next, which of the following denotes the cash management service? Out of the following, which of the following denotes the cash management services here? And we have the options: holding minimum cash at branches. Second, providing adequate cash at ATMs. Third, providing solution to optimize liquidity of the corporate. Liquidity means cash, okay? And the fourth one is none of the above. So which of the following denotes the cash management services? The cash management services. So first of all, holding minimum cash at branches is not the cash management service you are providing. You are maintaining that money for the withdrawal purpose, but that's not a part of your cash management service. Providing adequate cash at ATMs? No. Providing cash at the ATM is not a cash management service you are providing to the corporates. Providing solution to optimize the liquidity of the corporate, to optimize the cash balance of the corporate. This is where you provide the cash management services. So the right answer is C option. Okay, right answer is what? That's the C option, providing solution to optimize the liquidity of corporates. Next question. A scientific cash management solution results which of the following? So we are talking about a scientific cash management solutions. So we have a scientific cash management solution that result in which of the following? Significant savings in time, decrease in interest costs, greater accounting accuracy, all of the above. So which of the following a scientific cash management solution will result? Significant savings in time, decreasing your interest cost, greater accounting accuracy, or all of the above? Which of the following is correct? So right answer is the significant scientific cash management solution is all of the above. It provides you significant savings, it decreases your interest cost, it gives you the greater accounting accuracy also. So all these are the results or benefits you will find out by doing scientific cash management. Okay, next. A scientific cash, this is, one second, next. While selecting a bank for sourcing cash management services, a corporate takes into account pricing, reliability, security, etc. So while you are selecting a bank for sourcing cash management service, a corporate takes into account the pricing, the reliability, the security. Is this a statement is true or false? The statement is true or false. Like when you are selecting a bank for having or for taking the cash management services from the bank, the corporate have to make sure that they take into account the pricing, reliability and security they will get if they are hiring a certain bank to perform the cash management services. So yes, this is true. They have to be very cautious about it, that whenever they decide a bank for sourcing out or for having a cash management services, because you are providing third party, you are taking third party services if you are giving bank to perform your cash management services. So it's important that you will focus on pricing, reliability and the security you will get from the side of the bank. Okay, so right answer is true. That is true. Next. A firm's cash program is aimed at accelerating cash inflows and controlling cash outflows. So we are talking about like a firm's cash program. If a firm is performing a cash program, it aims to what? It aims to accelerate the cash inflow and controlling the cash outflow. So is it true or false? Is it true or false that a firm cash program aim at providing what? Cash inflow and controlling cash outflows. So you are accelerating the cash inflows, the earning you are having, and you are trying to control the cash outflow. So this is also true. That's what a firm have to do, Hana. You have to increase your inflows, you have to decrease your outflows. So right answer is true. Now, which of the following denotes cash management services? So out of the option, which of the following denotes the cash management services? First, we have holding minimum cash, providing adequate cash, providing solution to optimize the liquidity of corporates, and none of the above. So which of the following activity will help you to provide or to denote the cash management services? A, B, C, or D? And the right answer here will be obviously providing solution to optimize the liquidity of a corporate, of a firm, or of a company is the part of your cash management service. Clear? So this is what the cash management service is that we have discussed. If I'm talking about a cash management service now, so cash management service is very useful for each and every types of corporate. So there is no such kind of category that you have to follow when you want to have a cash management services. Simply the cash management service help you to get a lot of benefits out of it. Like in case of urgency, in case of uncertain situation, you will be always ready to maintain the liquidity in your company, Hana, and to make the money available whenever it is required. So if we talk about cash management service, right, if you talk about the cash management service, it simply refers to the collection, concentration, and disbursement of cash. Hana, do remember, it covers what? It covers a lot of things. Like first, it will cover your, I will write here, first of all, the cash management service will cover three things. The first we have collection of cash. Okay, it do what? It collect the cash of a corporates. Second, it focus on or it perform the concentration of the cash. Concentration of cash. Okay. Now, if I talk about the third one, it do what? It simply do the disbursement of cash also. Disbursement of cash. So these are the main activities that the cash management service provide for all the corporates. Okay, so it covers company's level of liquidity, the management of cash balance, the short-term investment strategy of a company. And if they have a good cash management, they will need a company's future cash needs for the future cash sources. Another, if you are having or if you want a good cash management, to having a good cash management, what is required? You need to have a certain meetings to companies' future cash needs from the future cash sources. Like you do not know na, in the future what will be the needs of a company for the cash. So accordingly, you have to find out the sources that will be helping you in the future with your needs of cash. And that's why it is required to perform, or I can say that's why it is required to have a cash management service. Clear? So this was the cash management service we have discussed in the form of questions, but as always, it's not sufficient to cover the topic. Cash management system is a very small topic. These are the 3 or 4 important points that we have to know under the cash management service. But now it's very obvious that's not the coverage of a whole subject or a whole topic. So for that service, you can go to continue to the Mahapack 2.0 that is right now available with the 81% discount. plus double validity. And for that, what you have to do, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application. If you haven't downloaded the application, do download it because you will get 1% additional discount. Then click on the JAIIB CIB section. Go to the JAIIB October 2023. When you go here, you will find a lot of batches in the Mahapack as well. So Mahapack having a double validity, and this is your latest batch started from the 7th of August. So how to enroll? Just click on the particular batch you want to go. Let's say you want to enroll in the Mahapack. So first of all, check the offerings, and the offerings are mentioned in the front page only. These are the offerings of your Mahapack 2.0 plus mini marathons and Maha marathons will be also covered under the Mahapack. Okay, then decide what validity you want. After that, click on the buy now option and have to use a code that is AUG80 that will give 80% discount. If you want additional 1% discount, then purchase the batch from the application by using the coins. So you will get 81% discount here on the product by using the AUG code. The same process you can follow to enroll in a batch also if you want to enroll in a batch. If you find any kind of issue at the time of enrollment, you can call on this number and ask your query. They will definitely be helping you. Okay, so this is how you can enroll, and as I have told you, we have a very less days remaining for your preparation. So do make sure you be very serious about your preparation and you are preparing conceptual understanding. You're not trying to mug up the concepts. Just understand the concept. It will take time to understand the concept, but it will help you more. So focus on the understanding of the concept. After understanding of the concept, do make sure you proper revising the content. So there are certain steps you have to follow. The first step, learn the concept. The second step that you have to follow after learning the concept, you have to regularly revise the concept. Then after you have revised, then do the practice of the content that you have studied or that you have learned. And the last one will be the process that you have to repeat all these three. So learn, revise, practice and repeat. These are the things that all you need to do. So focus on these 4 things and start your preparation very seriously because now you have a very less time. Okay. So last but not the least, do let me know in this comment section how many answers you have given correct. And do not forget to download the Adda 24/7 application, as well as do not forget to subscribe the channel Officer Adda 24/7 so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay. So let's end the session here, and also Monday to Friday at 7 AM we are meeting for PPB Principles and Practice of Banking 50-day 50 classes, and on 7:30 AM we are meeting for Indian economy, Indian financial system 50 days 50 classes. So do not forget to join these classes from Monday to Friday, and on Saturday Sunday something is special. Every Saturday Sunday is there for all of you. So be connected to the Officers Adda 24 YouTube channel so that all the information will be available to you and the notification will be given to you if you press the bell icon also. So let's end the session here. Thank you all for joining the session and have a very great day everyone. Thank you.